Feeling you low key. You should keep it on the under now, cause I got a feeling your boyfriend know me. Shit could get so deep, but if you don't mind, then I don't mind. This temptation got me feeling so weak. I've been having visions of getting you alone and trying on my favorite position. I know you want me in them thighs. Girl, you can't hide them lying eyes. When I pull up, you better be ready. Take off all of them clothes, leave on them Giuseppe's. Put it down like it's heavy, if only you let me. I'ma go in, you gon' tell all of your friends. They gon' be in my DMs. When you wake up in the morning, I'm gone. Hit up my phone, we could do it again, yeah. I'ma put a smile up, make sure that we ready. I'ma get away with whatever you let me. I'll be tonguing you all over, let me feel up on your booty. You can be my co-star, we gon' make a movie. When I'm in it, I'ma give it like I never did before. Ain't no time for second thoughts, them panties gotta go. Cause it's about to get real naughty. And two is good company, but three is a party. So we party on, party on. I can't do your body wrong. Say you ain't that type of girl, but we both knew it all along. Oh, now bend over and grab the wall and let me play up in that waterfall.